of this presentation to inspire others with my story, to show that challenges can be overcome. Ayan, to encourage financial independence despite disabilities. Yes. Introduce myself. My name is Brenda Parchamenko, but you can call me Jana. And Jana is my nickname. I'm 40 years old, a single mother of two. A lupus survivor and a lupus warrior, a digital entrepreneur, or a digital creation. First time ko kasi, sorry ha, first time ko kasi humawak ng mic. At 24 years old, my husband left me and our two children. I felt lost, but I know I had to be strong for my kids. This moment marked the start of my journey as a single mom. My daughter, my inspiration. My daughter is smart, sporty, and talented. She's graduated with the highest honors and valedictorian in their class. Yeah, this. She is also a model and participating in cooking competition. My son excels in basketball and has been MVP multiple times and many sports he does. My overseas journey. I worked in Malaysia for 2 years as an OFW. So using my savings to improve our house and pay medical bills, medical check-up. Kasi nung that time nag-abroad ako ng meron akong sakit. And real, mayroon akong sakit. Pero nagpuso ako talaga na mag-abroad kasi wala akong choice. And then I worked in Hong Kong for almost 5 years, caring for a child named Isaac. I determined to support my family without borrowing money. The pandemic and health crisis. In 2020, during the pandemic, I became seriously ill. I was diagnosed with lupus and hospitalized for a month. I thought I might die. But I keep fighting for my children. I survived. My body became weak and could no longer work abroad anymore. So returning home in 2020 was hard. I was thin, tired, and could not work anymore. But I didn't give up. I'm happy to meet my children and live with them forever. Ayun. So returning home is not easy. So I find the ways talaga na kumita. Ayun, kahit alam kong hindi ako pwedeng magtrabaho. Pero through online, I continue my vlogging moments on YouTube to make money through my channel, Jana's Journey. To make money, however, the income wasn't enough to cover my medical maintenance, regular checkup, and my children's schooling. Especially as ads become frequent. Naging limited yung ads, so medyo na-stop ako sa pag-earning ng YouTube. So, I explored new ways to earn and discovered the new TikTok affiliate to supplement my income. So, eto na. Sa YouTube, ang ganda ng kitahan. Kasi, kailangan mo lang ng 1,000 subscribers and you have also to have a 4,000 watch hour. Pero mahirap kasi kailangan mo, 1 year ko yata naging yun. Pero maganda yung kitaan kasi sa ads, kumikita like in a month, mga 75K, ganyan yung monthly. Pero, kailangan mong trabahuin. May mga groups kayo na kailangan ibang bansa para yung ads mo i-run nila. Yun yung ginagawa namin. So, monthly like, kumikita ko before ng 50, 75K, ganyan. So nakapag-ipon talaga ako through YouTube. And now this is my current work. How to become a TikTok affiliate? Ito pa yung current work ko ngayon. Kung sasabihin kong passive income, yes. Kasi dito po, nakakapag-earn talaga ako ng malaki. Ano din po tayo, ipon, then nakakabili ng mga gusto. Oh my God. How to become a TikTok affiliate? Here the steps, step by step. Firstly, you must have 600 followers, o kaya 1,000 followers to become affiliate. Ito po. Yes. Wait, the TikTok is video. Ito yung mga step kung paano talaga maging affiliate. Madali lang. Wala kayong gagastusin kahit piso. Wala kayong puhunan. Kasi ito po is free. Mga sample po is
baka kwan tayo.
Nagla-live streaming ako at saka vlogging ako, pero ewan ko ba, kasi harap ng mga tao na hihiya talaga ako. Number 3 po, agree to terms and conditions and click apply. Ayan, i-click nyo lang po yung apply, then proceed to number 4. Now you can click start earning to create your earn and shop and earn. Ayan na po siya. So, how do we become, ayan, next step, number 5 po tayo, add your email. Kailangan nyo po ng email ninyo. Pero yung email ninyo, dapat pangalan nyo po. And also, dapat 18 years old above. Lastly, you can add some products you want to promote by clicking your TikTok shop creator. Proceeding to product marketplace. Ayan, pumili kayo ng mga gusto niyong product po. Ang simple tips for TikTok affiliate. Ito na po siya. Choose a focus. Pick something you're passionate about. So, kailangan nyo pumili po ng mga product. Mga product po na kaya-kaya nyo i-promote. Kung passion nyo is sa mga damit, pwede kayo sa damit. So, ganun po. Then, pick a good product, high quality, and useful items. Pumili ng mga product na, ayan, alam yung pasok sa mga tao. Then, create engaging videos, show product and action or live regularly. Gumawa ng videos, gumawa po tayo ng videos, or kaya mag-live. Ang ginagawa ko mostly is live po ako, live selling. Pero consistent naman akong nag-posting ng videos. Be consistent, yes. Be consistent, post regularly to stay visible. So kailangan lang talaga everyday, kailangan mo siguro mag-post ng videos o kaya mag-live. Pero kung talaga, like daily nag-live. And then use affiliate links, ads in bio or caption. Ay mga affiliate links po, ayan, yun po yung gagamitin ninyo. For example po, yung mga caption, yung mga ganon, yung product na ilalagay nyo, may caption, ganon. Then, give trust, be honest and authentic and reviews. So, kailangan nyo lang talaga maging ano po tayo, honest sa pag-review ng product. Huwag nyo i-promote kung alam nyo hindi maganda yung product. Kasi ako ganun. Track performance, monitor which videos the best. Ayan, kung ano yung videos na alam nyo nagpa-viral, good kayo. Mostly posting po doon. Engaging followers, reply to comments, and give community. So gusto nyo maging marami yung followers ninyo, ayan, ano lang po sila, mag-reply kayo sa mga comments, o kayo mag-watch kayo ng mga videos para dumami ang inyong mga followers. Mag-comment din kayo sa videos nila. Para, ayun, follow ba? And then, follow friends, use popular song and hashtag. So yung mga hashtag, yung popular song, Yun, yung mga song na yun yung ilagay yung song sa inyong mga videos. Dun po. Collaborate, partner with our creator to grow your reach. Ano po? Ano po dito? Pag nakikita kayo ng seller, ito yung maganda. Pag nakikita kayo ng seller na willing kayong mag-promote ng mga product, sila mismo ang pupunta sa inyo. Sila mismo ang makikipag-collaborate, bibigyan kayo ng free sample. Ganun. Ayun. Here's the sample video on how I strategize my TikTok affiliate by simply engaging doing live. Ayun po siya. Ayaw mo ka. Nakaplay yan eh. Sa Canva. Sa Canva. Ay, meron ba? Ganyan ako. Tools ang mostly, kasi gusto ko yung mataas na commission. So, pumili din pala kayo ng mataas na commission.
Ano yan?
Basket number 10 po natin, yan po yung ating po. Makita for Des Haverdale. Basket number 10 po, 1,700 RPM. Si Makita po natin is may media cut po yan. Mga bossy, basket number 10. Ayan ang ating Makita 36 volts for Des Haverdale. Hammer po ang piliin po natin dyan mga bossy kung gusto natin pang concrete. Ang concrete really meron lang. Ayan, P3 function po with hammer po siya. May high and low RPM. Bossing ang 2 batteries na po siya. Set na po yan. Okay. Bossing Jefferson, maraming salamat bossing sa punta.
Yung mga tools na yan, provide po ng seller mismo. Free sample, wala akong binayaran, wala akong binili. So, alam naman nila, nakikita nila na talagang consistent po tayo sa aking ginagawa. And yun, free sample, wala akong binili.
Paano ka binigyan ng ganyan?
Yes, Doctor.
May binili ka lang po ng product. Nakikita nila na
Minsan bumili ako ng product na isa lang, Doctor, tapos pero nagpo-promote. Pwede kayo mag-promote kahit walang on-hand items. Kahit wala kayong on-hand item, wala kasi akong nalagay na ano. Pero pwede. I-click or screenshot nyo lang po ang photo ng isang product, ilagay nyo lang sa screen, tapos pwede kayo mag-voice over live. Kasi kung tinatamad talaga ako, nakahiga ako, nagla-live ako through phone only. Walang ganyan, kung tinatamad ako. So, nakakabenta naman ako. Kahit ganun. So, pwede kayong mag-ganon. Tapos, may mga talagang seller, visit yan sila. Ang daming collab na gustong, babayaran kayo through time. Kung isang oras, mag-uusap kayo ng, pwede din po yun. Marami na yun. Ito yung ating shop, from this to this. Ayan. Ayan mga boss, ayan po yung ating income natin sa TikTok.
101 pesos. Tapos, ano yun? 336,000?
Yes. Dati po, kumikita lang ako ng 1 digit. Ganyan noon. Nagsimula ko October. Until now, yan ulit po yung ginagawa natin. In a 1 month, naranasan ko din siyang kumita ng 6 digit. In a 1 month. 1 week, ito po yung 1 week natin, 28,000. So for 1 week only.
Ano yung 332,000?
Ayaw po yung commission base, yung lahat ng
Ay,
total.
nabenta mo na yan.
Yes po.
Bakit ang commission mo?
Commission is 28,000. So for 1 month, naranasan ko kumita ng 6 digit. So nakapag-ipon talaga ako through TikTok. So sabi ko, eto yung current work ko na until now, talagang pinagkilitan. Eto yung outcome. Eto yung outcome. Bakit bakasyonan? Actually, may bahay ako dito. Yun is sa abroad. Punta ko sa abroad. Tapos nakapagsa nagsanda ko ng ng lupa. Tapos nakabili ako ng lupa sa Dinapide, so sa abroad yun. Pero ito ngayon is sa pagiging digital entrepreneur ko.
Napatayo niya.
Eto, bakasyonan or kaya transient. Pwede sa transient. Kasi meron naman siyang 3 room. Pero this time, dahil tapos na may gusto mag-rent, pinaupahan ko muna. Kasi wala mang dyan. Kasi sabi natin ngayon malapit sa dagat. Napakagandang bakasyonan kasi tahimik. Yes, to all of you here today, never give up on yourself. We are stronger than we think. And despite the challenges we face, we can achieve so much. Focus on what you do, no matter how small it seems, and build from there. Remember, each step forward counts, and you have the strength within you create a brighter future. Yes. Maging consistent lang po tayo. Maging consistent lang po tayo. Kung gusto natin yung gusto natin makamit yung ating pangarap, maging consistent lang, patuloy lang po tayo. At saka, yung mindset nyo, bakit kaya ng iba, hindi ko kaya? Yun lang po, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat. Thank you very much.
Wow, thank you, Miss Brenda, for sharing your incredible story with us. Grabe, nakaka-inspire.